Do you live in Fluvanna County? Are you or someone you know in need of help with nutritious meals? Hi everyone, I'm Lori Click with Remax Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video is about Fluvanna Meals on Wheels, Packing Kitchen Open House and Ribbon Cutting Ceremony. They are located at 105 Crofton Plaza, Suite number 8, Palmyra, Virginia, across from the BP station located near Lake Monticello. Fluvanna Meals on Wheels is a nonprofit organization changing lives one meal at a time. They are neighbors helping neighbors one meal at a time. Their clients are not faceless strangers. They are our neighbors and yours. If you'd like more information, there will be links in the description below for Fluvanna Meals on Wheels. We apologize for the audio during the presentation because it was affected by the high winds today. Enjoy the video.
So, my name is Bonnie, and I'm the Vice President of the Fluvanna Chamber, and I want to congratulate Meals on Wheels for finding a place that's close to work, move everything with bacon. I saw that. Yeah. So anyway, they have been chamber members since 2008. That was 14 years that they've been with the chamber. And, you know, while the rest of us business owners are going around and trying to create revenue and jobs and everything else, these people show up and do what's important. They're bringing meals to people who might otherwise not be eating, but even more importantly, they're making contact with members of our community who need contact. And I just can't tell you how proud I am that they're chamber members and the job that they're doing for this community. And it kind of brings tears to my eyes. So anyway, I'm so happy for you today. Congratulations and all the best. Keep growing. Amen.
All right, I have a few words. This is from Lisa, our executive director, who is at home sick. So I am going to be reading this, unfortunately.
Are you done yet?
So anyway, thank you all for coming today and helping us celebrate this very special occasion. My name is Tracy Williams. I'm a member of the board, and we have a lot of board members here today. And thank you all for coming. I'm filling in for Lisa, our executive director. Since February 2008, Effort Baptist Church has graciously donated the use of their kitchen for us to pack our meals. In looking to the future, we will be able to service additional clients. We realized we needed our own kitchen space. More importantly, storage, as we expanded our program to include emergency food bags, birthday bags, pet food, essential hygiene, and during the pandemic. It was hard. This is a very special day for all of us, and we could not have accomplished our mission over the last 14 years without our amazing volunteers and community, and we are grateful to each one of you. Many of our volunteers have been with us since our first delivery. A special thank you goes to Mike Himes, the Fluvanna Habitat for Humanity, and the group of volunteers. They call them the Rusty Nails. They did this wonderful work. This new kitchen space has been completely funded by grants received from the Advance Relief Fund Charlottesville Area Community Foundation, and Dominion Foundation. With the support of these grants, we were able to pay for renovations to the existing space and rent the space for almost 3 years. We are so grateful for their support and for making this dream become a reality. Okay, board members, I'd like you to introduce yourselves, starting with Mr. Hazlett.
I'm Jeff Hayslip.
Amy, Jeff.
I'm Ann Cagle.
Hey, Ann.
Ron Krause.
Hey, Ron.
George Gorman.
Hey, George.
I'm Amy Smedley.
Hey, Amy.
I'm Bertha Armstrong.
Hey, Bertha.
Is that everybody? And we also want to thank Amy Smedley, Cindy Wilson. Amy is our volunteer coordinator. Amazing. Cindy is unable to be here today. She's also sick, unfortunately. So anyway, but they hold all this together, so we really appreciate it. Again, thank you for coming in and come in and have a cookie and
Get warm.
yes, we
Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first and your dream home is only a click away.